Page 34, thumbs on C. They're introducing at the top of the page a new hand position known as the middle C position. Very common. And what it is you simply, both thumbs are sharing middle C, and the rest of the fingers just go wherever. Now, the keys aren't wide enough to have two fingers playing on them at the same time, and it's unnecessary anyway. You don't use two fingers to play on a key. Yeah. So what they do is, it's a timeshare thing. They take turns. Or not take turns, but they share it. It's one or the other. If the left hand plays it, the right hand gets out of the way. If the right hand plays it, the left hand gets out of the way. Like that. That's middle C position. Hopefully you know the names of the notes. Like here in the beginning and here, you know the names of these notes. If you don't, memorize them. I can't really help you on that. It's just up to you to memorize the names of those notes. Know where they are on the keyboard. And that's where we're at. So let's go through this thumbs in C just to double check it. It is repeated. We're going to play it twice. Just checking the notes and the rhythms here. I'll give us 4 counts. So go ahead and put your hands in middle C position. 1, 2, ready, go. 4. 3, 4. Repeat.